Because we're gonna do a soup. I've never roasted anything before, but I'm roasting it today.
So the pre-intro was Marianne making fun of me. Anyway. Okay, so we are going to do a garden salad of all the stuff that we basically have in our garden, which is roasted peppers, some chilies, some tomatillos, which is like tomatoes from Mexico, which is like what salsa verde is. It basically means green tomato, and then these tiny little tomatoes. But we're gonna roast them all up. We're also gonna pan saute some of the veg, and then we're gonna blend it all together into what's not a salad, but into what is a soup, because we feel like soup today. So we're gonna have all the salad ingredients in our soup. It should be delicious. It should be very yum. And thank you for watching. Subscribe, like.